cat is a furry friend, a purr in the night, a little ball of fluff curled up tight, a meowing companion, a cuddle buddy, a food warmer, cozy and fluffy, a bird chaser, a mouse catcher, a wishful fish snatcher, a cheek, leg and head butter, a wide-eyed feline mild and meek, a mastermind of hide and seek. A cat is a best friend, loving and loyal until the end. That is my cat. I love my cat loves me. This we all agree when I am alone. She keeps me company, her fur is soft as down. She cuddles next to me, purrs when she is happy, and loves to play with me. I would be lost without my cat would be lost without me.